Luxurious Tuxedo Black 2009 Ford Taurus Limited will take you down the road in comfort and style. Fully loaded with beautiful leather interior, power windows, power locks, power mirrors, power seats, memory seats, heated seats, sync, wood grain dash, great looking wheels, and so much more. Wow! Ford certified pre-owned with 100k powertrain warranty, roadside assistance, and low interest rate make this Taurus as good as new. Almost new tires. The paint has a showroom shine. This vehicle has all of the right options. 100% auto check guaranteed. The interior of this vehicle is virtually flawless. Very smooth ride. All electronic components in working condition. All interior components are in good working order. This is one of the most desirable color combinations. The 2009 Ford